Hi everyone, thank you for checking out my Onigiri coaster tutorial video. Let's get it sewing. First, you will need two pieces of fabric, one with a light natural color, it can be white or off-white in color, and the other one with dark blue or dark green color. Let's start with the coaster body, which is the light color fabric. Fold it into half. Place a triangular shaped pattern on top of the folded fabric. To get a pattern, you can download it from my Etsy store, or you can draw it on the fabric by yourself. We want to have an equilateral triangle with round corners. Pin it and cut it out. You can also tape it on a flat surface and cut it with a rotary cutter like I did. Now the coaster body is ready, we can move it aside and work with the dark blue fabric. The next step is to transfer the sashiko pattern on the dark blue fabric, and there are plenty of ways to do it. If you have downloaded my pattern on Etsy store, here's the way I recommend to do it. Place the dark blue fabric on the bottom, then a white tracing paper, and on top of them, place the sashiko pattern. Use a tracing wheel to go over all the lines, and before you do the tracing, make sure you have stabilized all the layers. You can use tape or paperweight to stabilize them. The thing is, you will not see what's underneath until you trace all the lines. I know it's tricky, but the result is quite satisfying. Now you can start the sashiko stitching from top to bottom, bottom to top, and so on. And for the zigzag lines, stitch it from the right to the left and then the left to the right, and continuously until you complete the whole pattern. One important note here is that you may want to use a white fabric marker to draw on all the lines before doing any stitching. After you have done all the sashiko stitching, place it on top of the coaster body fabric. Make sure the two pieces of fabric are centered in position. Now, on the dark blue fabric, fold 1 cm backward and pin it. Sew it along the 4 edges with dark blue threads. Fold the right side together, pin it. Now we will need to sew a 1/4 inch or 3/8 inch seam around the coaster edges. When you sew close to the bottom part of the coaster, try to narrow down your seam and bring it close to the edge. Leave 5 to 6 cm edge open, as this is where you pull the right side out. It should look like this after you made the sewing. The orange line on your screen is the seam line. You may also want to make some notches on the round corners, so when you flip the coaster over, you can have some nice round edges. You may also want to zigzag the raw edges if your fabric is easy to fray. Here comes the last step. Flip the coaster right side out. Use a leather stitch to close the opening and press it. Thank you for watching the tutorial video. Hope you enjoyed the stitching and sewing. And if you like this sewing project, please like my video and share with your friends. And if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. Happy sewing!